We know how important your land and your investments are to you. We also understand you often don't get second chances in the whitetail woods. This is why we inspect each property with a critical, experienced eye. The fact is, we know where you're at. We have been there. Whitetail Driven Solution not only has your back, we have your future in mind. And we take that very serious. In the moment of truth, where faith, determination, and preparation meet, let us be with you the final 20 yards.